Want to quickly write your first script? This video will show you how to do it in under 5 minutes. Writing a script doesn't have to be a long, drawn-out process. We're focusing on speed and getting that first draft out. The main goal here is rapid creation. We aim to complete a foundational script that captures your core idea quickly. We'll break down the process into 3 simple steps. Define the core idea, outline the structure, and write the draft. Starting with step 1, you must define the absolute core idea of your script. Ask yourself, what is the single most important message or plot point you need to convey? Strip away everything else for now. For this quick first draft, simplicity and focus are crucial. Avoid complex subplots or excessive characters. Next, let's move to step 2, outlining the script's structure. Divide your script into 3 to 5 major sections. Think of a beginning, middle, and end, or maybe an introduction, a few body points, and a conclusion. Use quick bullet points to map out the content for each section. Just a few words per point is enough to guide your writing. Finally, step 3. It's time to write the actual dialogue and action. Write naturally, focusing on ensuring your dialogue and action clearly convey the message defined in step 1. Crucially, for this initial draft, prioritize getting the content down over perfect grammar or polished writing. Don't stop to edit. That's it. You have a full first draft of your script written in minutes. Now you can review your quick script, check if it flows well, and clearly delivers your central message. This is the time for small refinements. Congratulations on writing your first script. Keep practicing this fast method to quickly develop ideas, and then take time to develop your favorites further.